This is a lesson plan for a 7th grade world history class entitled Origins of Islam. The lesson objectives are students will analyze documents and text to increase their knowledge about Islam, and students will create a graphic organizer and poster to demonstrate knowledge of the 5 pillars of Islam. As students walk into class, they will be filling in their agendas, which will include the day's activities, such as the lecture and notes, video, DBQs, and the graphic organizer and poster assignment. The lecture will be given using either a PowerPoint or a Prezi such as this one. Students will be taking notes in their notebooks using Cornell style. After taking notes, students will then view a video on the origins of Islam, which is narrated by Sir Ben Kingsley. They will use this along with their notes and the textbook to work on the DBQs. DBQs are document-based questions. Students work on these individually. They cite the page number where they found their answers. After finishing, students will then pass the DBQs to the left, and the class will correct it together. I will place the answer key on the overhead using either a Ladybug, Elmo, Hawkvision, whichever the class may have. After correcting, students will receive their DBQs back, and they'll be instructed to correct their mistakes for homework and to return the DBQs the next day. After the DBQs, we will be working on the graphic organizer, which is the 5 pillars of Islam, with the central theme being the 5 pillars of Islam. Now, students will include each pillar. First pillar, statement of faith. Second pillar, daily prayer. Third pillar, yearly donation to charity. Fourth pillar, fasting. And the 5th pillar, the Hajj. Important to note that students will be given an instruction sheet and a rubric for both the graphic organizer and the poster on what is expected to be included. Important to note that not only will the title be required, so will an explanation and a description. Using the graphic organizer, students will then work in groups to create a poster. And the poster will be about the 5 pillars of Islam. Using the rubric and instruction sheets, they will include all 5 pillars by title, provide explanations, use artistic design and be creative, and include each group member's name. Some examples to give students ideas can be something like this, or this, which would be using a computer or some type of graphic program, or this. All these use colors, explanations, and descriptions are provided. This is the Origins of Islam lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.